This is world's best this is world's best gas grill. And that's all you need to know. That's it. Video done. Quick disclaimer before I keep on bragging about how good this grill is. Napoleon is the sponsor of this video. They sent this barbecue to me. They're actually taking it back in a couple of days, which is kind of sad. But still, let's take a look at it because it's worth it. I think we should start with the spec sheet because it's a long spec sheet. I'm gonna try and do the whole spec sheet as quickly as I can. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main burners, a back burner and a sizzle zone. It's got an extremely large grilling surface with Napoleon's heavy duty stainless steel grill grates, which is plenty large enough to throw a party for about 40 people. It's got a large stainless steel warming rack. The lid has a lift easy roll top. The outside is made out of 304 stainless steel. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers and 1 cabinet, all fitted with soft close. The cabinet is for gas storage, top drawer for grease drip pan, and storage of rotisserie accessories. Middle and bottom drawer are for storage of large and heavy items. Bottom right is pharmacy cabinet, of course perfect for seasoning and sauces. And the top right is the smoker drawer. It has an infrared searing station which does up to 800 degrees Celsius or 1470 degrees Fahrenheit. And the main smoke chamber can go as low as 110 degrees Celsius, which is around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you count it all up, this grill has a power of 31 kilowatts or 99,000 BTUs. It does direct grilling, it does indirect grilling, it does rotisserie grilling that you can plug into the auxiliary outlet in the back. And if you think that's it, you're wrong, because it also has a smart system. The 7-inch LCD touchscreen, connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, of course the Napoleon Home app, AccuPro Pro X support, smart functions on auto temp, recovery presets, and of course I didn't mention the heavy duty stainless steel burners and the Jetfire 2.0, the RGB LED lighting, oh and of course the warranty, limited lifetime warranty. Okay, the specs are impressive, but there's something else. Besides all the crazy specs and all the things that this thing has, something else that makes me love this grill for what it is. Because the way I look at it, I see an enormous barbecue. You got a big smoke chamber, you got a dedicated smoker tray, and not just a small one.
A big one.
And if you want to, you can add a charcoal tray to this grill and turn it into a charcoal grill. And this barbecue isn't built like regular gas grills. It's built for the lifetime warranty. It's built to last you a lifetime. Just for comparison, this is an older model. This is my 665. It's been here for 6 years. In the rain, no cover. It's just perfect. It's still, oh, it's not perfect. I didn't clean it. Personally, I don't think you should be putting this barbecue into a gas grill section because it can compete with any other type of barbecue. Any type of charcoal grill, any type of gas grill, and any type of pellet barbecue or any other type of barbecue that you can come up with. This barbecue can do all that and maybe even better. The cool thing is that at any moment, if you want to, you can just take over control from the screen by just touching a knob, and the knob will take over. And if you want to go back to the screen, you can go back to the screen. You can even go to the app, and as you can see, we got plenty of smoke from the smoker box. So that means this is a smoker. And even if you compare this amount of smoke to, let's say, a pellet barbecue, this is definitely enough smoke. And the crazy thing, there's lights inside the grill too, inside the grill area. Jeez. Blue, yellow, green, red. I'm not sure if I got it right yet because there's so much to study, and I'm pretty sure I didn't mention everything. But that proximity sensor is a safety sensor so that it's aware that you're near the grill. So it has a sensor that it automatically shuts down in some situations if you're not close to the grill, or it knows if you're not close. I don't know, man. There's really a lot to study. I'm just turning it green on the screen. I didn't like the red because all the burning knobs are red, so it's for your safety, so you understand, well, this one's hot. But if I turn it red, they'll look the same. So I'm turning it blue. Blue's good. Cold, hot, perfect. I've got this beautiful steak, And I thought, let's just start cooking that. I'm gonna take a little bit of Pitmaster's Texas seasoning and just sprinkle that on. Of course, I gotta do both sides. And I already have the barbecue set to smoke at a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. Now you can see that it told me, it's not my decision, the barbecue decided this for itself. You got 2 burners on this side and 1 burner on that side, which means this zone is indirect. And that is exactly where I'm going to put my steak. I'm going to put it at a high position right there, and then I'm going to slowly let it come up to temperature while it's smoking. I do feel that this is like one of those situations where you take a Rolls Royce to a mall. I don't know what that's like, but I feel like putting a steak on this grill, just one steak, it feels a little bit of excessive. You need a big party, man. I need 20 people. I need big cuts of meat, giant pieces, lots of people. I need that. That's what this is for. This is meant to be cooking for lots of people. I just got the notification that the steak is done, so I turned off the knobs, dismissed the notification, and I'm gonna let the steak rest before I start searing it off. So let it rest, bro. With the steak now on the board, I can fire up the Sizzle zone. This infrared needs a little bit of time to get up to temperature and get the ultimate sear on. Now you gotta remember, this steak is already resting, it's fully cooked, and all I need is a little bit of a crust. So I wanna go as hot as I can. Therefore, I'm gonna turn the knob, put in some gas, wait for 5 seconds, hit the ignition, and then it comes up to temperature. And you can't see it just yet, but in about 60 seconds, this thing is gonna be red glowing hot. It is still silly just cooking one steak on this beast, but oh man, the result is insane. Oh, that's good. You can see there's no problem finishing this steak here. To me, this is an amazing grill. It can do anything you want it to do. There's only one reason why you shouldn't buy this grill, and that is if you don't have the budget for it. Look up the price. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, because I need to know what you think about this grill. See you guys in the next video. Until then, eat smakelijk and keep on grilling. This one's mine.